Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something special in store for all you students out there. Whether you are in high school or pursuing higher education, we understand the challenges you face when it comes to managing your academic workload. But fear not, because we have got a solution that can make your student life easier and more efficient. In today's video, we are going to discuss the 5 must-use AI tools for students. These tools are designed to help you study smarter, save time, and boost your academic performance. So without further wait, let's dive right in. Our first AI tool is none other than Google Scholar. It is a game changer for research and academic writing. Google Scholar uses AI algorithms to curate a vast database of scholarly articles, papers, and publications. Simply enter your research topic and Google Scholar will provide you with a list of relevant peer-reviewed sources. This tool helps you find credible references for your assignments and research papers, making your academic life a breeze. Next up, we have Grammarly. Whether you are writing essays, reports, or emails, Grammarly is your grammar and style companion. This AI-driven tool checks your writing for grammatical errors, suggests vocabulary improvements, and even offers tone and clarity suggestions. It is like having a personal proofreader, ensuring that your writing is top-notch. Now let's talk about organization. Keeping track of assignments, class notes, and project deadlines can be overwhelming. That is where Notion comes in. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that uses AI to help you manage your tasks and information effectively. You can create to-do lists, class notes, and even collaborative project boards. It is like having a virtual study assistant to keep you on track. It is no secret that personalized learning can be incredibly effective. AI-powered tutoring apps like Duolingo, Khan Academy, and Coursera offer tailored lessons and exercises. They adapt to your learning pace, provide instant feedback, and track your progress. Whether you are learning a new language or studying advanced math, these apps make learning more engaging and efficient. Last but not least, let's discuss Zotero. Zotero is a reference management tool with AI capabilities. It helps you collect, organize, and cite your research sources effortlessly. With its browser extension, Zotero can automatically capture citation information from websites, saving you time when creating bibliographies and citations for your papers. And there you have it, folks, the 5 must-use AI tools for students. These tools can help you streamline your academic journey, improve your writing, and manage your time more effectively. Remember, technology is here to assist you in your education, so why not make the most of it? Do you use any of these AI tools, or do you have other favorites that we missed? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Happy studying!